Hello, and welcome to this training video on the Release and Sprint module. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of the Release and Sprint module and how it helps you monitor your release and sprint progress in a project. The Release and Sprint Planning Board helps you see the set of features that the team has decided to provide in the upcoming release/sprint. The board provides a hierarchical view of your releases and sprints along with their work items. A release is a first-level parent row, whereas a sprint is a second-level parent row. By default, the future, current, and previous releases are loaded on the board in descending order form latest to oldest. The status of the release or sprint is shown in the blue bar against them. The estimated points show the total number of estimated points of the cards tagged to this release. For example, if a release or sprint has 10 cards tagged to it and the estimated points of each card is 5 hours, then the estimated points of that release or sprint will be 50 points. Similarly, the completed points shows the number of points completed till now. In other words, points against closed totos of the cards are considered as completed points. The release or sprint bar also shows some important matrices such as scope completed, planned points, work item planned, work item added, work item removed, and team size. You can switch between the statistics using the previous and next icons. To see the list of work items tagged to the release or sprint, expand the releases or sprints by clicking on the respective icons against their name. Under each release and sprint, its work items are shown. Against each work item, you can see their status such as their due date, status, estimated points, completed points, and remaining points. You can click the work item to view its details. The total number of work items available in a release is shown next to the release name. For example, here release 4.1 is the release name and 4 is the number of work items under it. Similarly, the number of work items in a sprint is shown next to the sprint name. The color-coded capacity planned bar for the releases and sprints against their names indicates the capacity of the release or sprint. Capacity is referred from the capacity field on the releases or sprints. Hovering over the capacity planned bar will show the values for remaining capacity, planned capacity, and total capacity respectively. This helps you make sure a release or sprint has cards only up to its capacity and not more than that to avoid any spillover. We hope this video helped you have a basic understanding of the release and planning board. See you in the next training video. Thank you.